Anyway, maraming salamat sa inyo. Tinulungan nyo ako.
Mulong pala kayo mag-Tagalog ah. Nakitahin nyo.
It's a prank! Pilipino ako!
Tagalog pala si Sir.
Okay.
Galing ni Kuya.
Pinoy Transporter, best taxi driver. He's a
Hi guys.
Hi guys, good morning. Welcome on board. I'm Mr. You know what's my name? I'm Mr. Gaulu.
Wala. Daulu.
Gaulu. Yeah, Gaulu. Oh, you know Gaulu? That's my Chinese name. I'm having hard time to speak Tagalog, So would you mind teach me some Filipino language? How about you? What's your name?
Ang name?
Yeah?
Delia Kayaban. Hi
Oh.
guys. Dito kami papunta kami sa Kasingkeri para maghanap buhay. Magtrabaho kasama ang pamangkin ko, apo sa pamangkin at si Sir.
Oh, they're very shy, but look at her, very shy. But
Pero si
no.
Sir, English speaking. Sabi ko kung pwedeng speak Tagalog. Dumudugo na ilong ko.
Oh, don't worry, I have tissue here, That's why most of my passengers are also nose bleeding. I'm prepared.
Tagalog lang kami. Nakakaintindi ng English pero konti lang.
Oh, me also. I'm having hard time. Can you teach me some Filipino language, Oh, please help me so that I'll be... What?
English speaking pala tong driver ng taxi. Kayo talaga. Hindi talaga ako marunong mag-ano. Konti lang. Diyan lang.
Kaya nga.
What's...
Sir Jason.
Where's...
Dinala nyo kami sa English speaking na driver. Ano ba yung dumudugo
Sir Chinese pala tong driver natin. Delivery.
Ito anak ko to. Sinama ko. Hi guys daw.
Oh, beautiful, What's your name?
My name is Angel.
Oh, you show your face. Oh, you're Angel.
Angel.
Angel, okay. How old are you?
Ilan taong ka na na? 13.
Oh, you're studying already? Oh, how come your mother is translating what I'm talking to you? Don't you understand English language?
I can't speak ano ba yung English? Speak lang Tagalog lang.
I hope you understand. I do understand, but I'm just a little.
Parang tissue, Sir. Dumudugo na ilong namin.
Oh, no, how come your nose bleeding, Okay, Oh, you teach me what's the Tagalog? What's that Tagalog of?
Anong klaseng Tagalog?
Where are you going?
Napunta kami sa
Kasingkeri.
Kasingkeri.
Pupunta kami
Are you
ng
going Kasingkeri?
No, I told you you'd help me
yeah.
Tagalog. What's the Tagalog of where are you going?
Pupunta kami Kasingkeri. Magtitinda kami.
Will you please repeat? You're answering my question,
Pasok kami sa trabaho.
Okay, so what's the,
Working.
what's the Tagalog of where are you going?
Where are you going? Ano?
Saka pupunta.
Saan ka pupunta?
Okay. What's that?
Where you going? Saka pupunta. Doon sa Kasingkeri.
Okay. Oh, you already answered my question,
Ibig sabihin, naintindihan mo yung English?
Siyempre.
Oh, very
Ano
good.
ka
Nakaintindi ako ng English konti.
Okay, very
English
good.
ng English.
What's the Tagalog of I love you?
I love you. Mahal kita.
Wow.
What?
Mahal kita. Yung gan... Ay,
You what? Why you laughing?
siyempre tinatanong niya. I love you.
Yeah.
Oh, mahal. Pagmamahal yun, mahal kita.
Okay, I love you, mahal kita. Okay.
Yun.
Okay.
Tapos, yung ayaw ko sa'yo, I hate you.
What?
Hilo ako.
I hate you. It's ayaw ko sa'yo. Okay,
Yun.
So, thank you very much. You're very kind. You're teaching me a lot.
Naiiyak ako sa inyo.
What?
Ang sarap sumakay dito.
I'm crying, very happy.
Oh, you're crying, No, crying. Oh, I thought you don't know how to...
Dito, no?
Crying ako nga.
Why?
Crying.
In my cab, you will not only receive good service, so as good entertainment, huh? Oh, you're so good, you're so very happy, That's what I want my passenger, very happy. You don't show that you're so tired last night, What have you done? You understand what I'm saying?
Aray ko!
Oh,
Tagalog ka sa dugway ako na, hindi ko naman intindihan.
I told you I'm having hard time to speak
Wala kang
Tagalog.
Tagalog, sir. Ba yan, yung mga Tagalog.
What's handsome in Tagalog?
Kaya di ba kayo marunong Tagalog?
I told you I'm Chinese.
Tagalog na, sir.
I'm having hard time to speak Tagalog.
Yung ibang sinasabi niyo, hindi naman namin naiintindihan.
Why you don't understand English language?
Hindi, konti lang, yung iba lang.
Oh, like me also. Understand Tagalog konti. When we mix together konti plus konti is already marami, So what's handsome in Tagalog?
Handsome?
Yeah.
Mabait ba yun?
No. Okay.
Oh, you,
Oh, yun,
oh,
yun,
so,
Ano mabait?
oh, you, what?
Okay daw kayo!
Handsome, mabait. Oh, your daughter is already high school. She should know it, right? Oh, you should help your mom. So when you say handsome, it's pogi. Me pogi.
Handsome.
Okay.
You're so handsome.
Okay, thank you. How about beautiful?
She's so beautiful.
Oh, beautiful is? Oh, what?
Maganda.
Oh, how come you become silent? What you're thinking?
Sila maganda.
How about you?
No.
Nagmamaganda.
Nagmamaganda.
Hindi, maganda yan.
No is the beauty.
No, the
Because ito
beauty.
pangit.
Pangit.
Sila ay pretty.
Okay, ha?
No, she is also pretty, beautiful, di ba?
Yeah, you're beautiful inside and out. I can feel it there that you're beautiful inside and out because you're a kind person, huh? See?
Kind
Oh,
person.
and you're so very happy, huh?
Parang sir.
Oh,
Hi, Sir Jason!
oh, you shout out to
Sir,
your boss.
malapit
Shout
na
out,
kami.
Sir Jason de la Cruz.
Shout out sa mga pamangkin ko dyan na nanonood ng ano.
Hi, Jerry Di Sulingan, my honey.
What's the honey?
Honey,
Asawa.
Oh, what's the name of your husband?
Jerry Di Vera Pagsulingan.
Okay, you.
Shout out!
Oh, say something to Jerry, huh?
Ingat ka dyan sa trabaho mo ni... yun lang.
Yun lang.
Shout sa anak kong panganay, kay Renaline at JR. Manugang ko. Andito kami nakikigulo.
I told you, this person, these passengers of mine said they're very shy, but now they do have lots of shout out, Very good,
Ikukwento ko sa asawa ko to para ano.
You don't just make what's kwento.
Kwento, ano ba yun?
Stock.
Kwento.
Stock sa ano pa to?
What is stock?
Ay, ano.
Kwento is stock. What's that?
Ano ba yun? Talk, usap?
Yeah, talk, usap. Oh, you daughter should assist you, translate, help you speak Tagalog. English, okay? What's kwento?
Kwento lang. Ano ba yung kwento? Hindi niya alam.
Oh, what? You don't know meaning of kwento?
Kwento.
Oh, wala
Di ba
kwento.
yung talk?
Oh, wala kwento.
Stock. Ano alam
Talk
ko?
o said?
Okay, very good,
Said.
I said.
Okay,
My husband later, to driver, kuya driver, Manolito,
Chinese.
he also have a vlog, he also have a vlog.
so you're going to tell your husband that you met
I told
a
my
taxi driver,
husband
Manolito,
to
who is a
subscribe
vlogger.
you.
Okay, thank you so much, Okay, Oh,
Honey, ano? Ang hirap mag-English!
What mahirap mag-English,
Pero Pero mahirap din mag-Tagalog.
Me also, I told you I'm having hard time to speak Tagalog. That's why I'm asking you, But Filipino are very, very good, You're so helpful, I really admire you guys, mahal ko kayo, Okay, Told you, thank you so much,
Kayo.
Mahal ko kayo.
Te. Mahal ko kayo.
Oh.
I love you everyone. Ganun ba yun? Everybody.
Mahal ko kayo. I love you, everybody.
Tawa si Kuya.
Yeah, very good. Because you're so good already. You're learning a lot.
Kuya, pag wala akong ginagawa, manonood ako ng vlog niyo.
Oh, thank you so much. Okay,
Para masaya.
Thank you so much for helping me. And just keep up your good work. I know you're so very, very great workers. Just keep on selling your, what's that? What you're selling?
Yes?
No, what you're selling?
Selling?
Yeah.
Kakanin.
Kanin.
Kakanin. Sticky rice.
Sticky rice.
Yes.
Okay, okay Are we near? Are we far?
Ano, sir?
Are we near? Are we far?
Winnie?
Are we near? You know, the
malapit.
distance is
Yeah,
closer.
malapit.
That's near,
Malayo.
Yeah.
Malapit na.
Oh. So malapit. Malapit is near.
Here.
Okay.
Winnie or far?
No, near. 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 Near or far. Okay. Anyway, maraming salamat sa inyo. Tinulungan nyo ako.
Marunong pala kayo mag-Tagalog, Nakita nyo.
This prank Filipino ako.
Tagalog pala si sir.
Okay.
Ano ba yan?
Oh, di ba?
Sir,
Iyak-iyak ako doon,
Ha?
sinihirapan nyo kami.
At least masaya tayo, di
Ayaw
ba?
pala mag-English.
Oh, you're very good in English, Ano ba natapos mo?
High school.
Ako sir, grade 6 lang.
Para-parehas lang tayo ako.
Well, marunong man pala kayo mag-Tagalog eh.
Sabi ko nga sa inyo, Pilipino lang ako.
Mangat yung bangs ko, sir,
Oy,
Sabi mo, ha?
well, kaya naman pala Kapag pinag-usapan pala yung bangs mo, buhay na buhay ka Ha? Yan ba ang yan ba ang asset mo?
galing
Punta ko
naman.
tabi nga ng ko, bakit ako nagbangs?
Ganon.
Sabi ko pag na-stress ako, nagbabangs ako.
Oh, naka-video tayo. Okay ba? Upload ko to? Okay lang?
Pwede, sir.
Okay lang?
Pwede, sir.
Okay, sige.
I-upload nyo para
Sige, narito na tayo. Paalam na kayo.
Bye! Naitapin kami ni sir. It's a prank.
Na prank kami. Ano ba yan?
Bye-bye!
So